Actually, through TV, we came to know about Canva, and it was a lot of exploration that time, and we started working on it. But this 2-day course, lot of techniques, small techniques, which I was wondering how we have to do is a bit very simplified here. So that part I like very much. Lot of new techniques and the video format, background removal, introduction of new languages, and layering of text, and all these things were really nice. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, I have learned a lot of extra, things which I can do, and better presentations.
I'm also very much impressed on this course. I just want to do all the things very eagerly. It is very much interesting, and also I'm very clearly know one thing. I can I can propaganda my products in all way. Thanks a lot.
Wonderful.
And also, and personally thankful to Mr. Shiva, and also my partner Shirley ma'am. She now taught me one thing, so I'm very much impressed on her also. Thank you so much.
Great experience. Like, I didn't know any of these, but then after coming here, it was like very easy for me to learn everything. And you taught it, like, you made us understand very easily, even the small things when we asked you, you like taught us from the basic, not like so advanced. But from now we'll work on it. I'll work on it, and I'll create more posters and send you in your WhatsApp.
Wonderful.
I had a beautiful experience. I have learned more things about Canva mastery. I didn't experience before that.
Wonderful.
I know about Photoshop, but I don't know about Canva.
Very
This
nice.
is my first experience. Yesterday, I created a poster and sent it to family group. They are all appreciated me.
Very nice.